When you think about the necessary skills for gardening successfully in this sunburnt country, the one that stands out to me is watering. Whether you're watering with a handheld hose or you've got a sophisticated irrigation system, the real trick is working out the duration and the amount of water that you have to distribute. One of the things we have plenty of in Australia is sunshine. While our gardens are heavily dependent on sunshine to fuel growth in plants, that light is now able to help out with our watering systems. This tap-mounted irrigation controller has a solar panel built in to power the operation and the memory retention of the program. What this means is that on a stinking hot day, or when it's raining, from the shelter of my home, I can actually bring on the next cycle of watering, or in the case of rain, turn off the next one. And all it takes is a tap on my phone. There's no need for a hub, as the self-contained design connects straight through to the Wi-Fi network utilising the Holman Home app. This means that setting up the program is fast and simple and ideal for first-time smart water users. This is a particularly smart system, and the thing I really like about it is that you control the amount of litres actually delivered. So if you, like me, are running from a tank, it's absolutely vital to know how many litres are being delivered. This way, your tank doesn't run dry. You can schedule up to 3 start times per day, with the run times from 1 minute right up to nearly 12 hours. This means you can customise the program to automatically and efficiently water any garden setup anywhere in the country. Weather resistant and designed for year-round outdoor use. So why would you set up an irrigation system in autumn? Well, it turns out this is the most unpredictable season of all of them when it comes to rain. So it makes perfect sense.